Hello everybody, and so this is some feedback for you on your Skype, you'll notice that for the Skype that you did for CA5, you'll notice that I've left also some feedback in Langblog. The Langblog feedback is more about pronunciation, and this is going to focus on some grammar issues and vocabulary that hopefully will help you. Okay, so first of all, congratulations. I really noticed the effort that everyone was making to make their very much focused on communication. Most people did not prepare beforehand, which was very important. When you do read from a pre-prepared document, it does sound strange. It also sounds strange I mean that it doesn't sound like the natural rhythms of English speech, and it also you can make mistakes with vowel sounds and pronunciation because you're reading rather than thinking about the sound of the word. Okay, so it's super important to speak spontaneously. Okay, so great interaction. I love the fact that many of you tried to use the idiomatic expressions from the unit, but I'd just like to cover a few of these because I think that's important. Now, you said some of you used words like take the plunge. You have to remember that these are idiomatic expressions, so they don't actually mean what you think they don't mean exactly the literal meaning. Okay, so take the plunge, in fact, means to do something risky. It doesn't mean to jump into water. It means or jump or fall into water. It means to do something risky. So I'm going to take the plunge and buy that pink dress. Okay, you can use it like that. All right. So pushing the envelope. When you push the envelope, you exceed your limits. Okay, so by doing that jump, that ski jump, he was really pushing the envelope. Let's see, put your life on the line, or putting their lives on the line. So we might say that in ice hockey, young players put their lives on the line all the time because they might get their head hit by another player or something like that, and so they're risking their lives. And setting the bar means to make to change your objective and make it more difficult each time. Okay. So remember that when we want to modify an adjective like dangerous, we would want to say more dangerous. Okay, if we're making a comparison only. Otherwise, it's very. We use very or really, extremely to modify adjectives. If you're going to talk about comparison, which we were doing in this exercise, then obviously you're going to want to say something about it being more dangerous. So ice hockey is more dangerous than water skiing, for example, if that's your opinion. If we want to make the difference very big, we can say it's much more dangerous. But if we're just talking about the word on its own, we would just say ice hockey is a very dangerous sport. Okay? And the last thing I wanted to mention are modal verbs to talk about logical deduction. So when we've got an idea about something, but we're not sure, we might say it must be very frightening. It must be very scary to jump out of a plane. We can use must, might, or can't. Okay, not can, but can't. So we can say, oh, it must be very dangerous. It can't be very safe. It might be really exciting. So must be is when we're saying it's definitely true. Can't be when we're saying it's definitely not true. And might be is saying it's possible. Okay? Well, I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Okay, bye.